So ayun guys, papakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano pataasin yung lungs capacity ni CJ. Para lang ito sa sa mahilig mag-mission.
What?
Yung mahilig mag-jet, pangit yun.
How are you in water? What you mean? Can I swim? Yeah. Can you swim well? No, I can't. Shit! Man, dang! How you do that?
So yun nga, sabi niya di siya marunong lumangoy. At papakita ko sa inyo kung paano i-activate yung mission na amphibious assault. Kasi di nyo siya mapapasok yung mission kung hindi mataas yung lungs capacity niya. May oras pala din ito pag na-activate nyo na yung lungs capacity ni CJ. Kailangan nyo bumalik dun sa mission ng 100 hours. Pero kung hindi pa naman at habang pa yung oras, hindi naman kayo mag-juray-juray. Para lang to sa lalaro ng mission, hindi yung puro cheat. Okay din naman mag-cheat, pero kung mag-mission ka, mas okay kasi natututo ka. So ayun, andito na sa dagat. Kailangan lang nito i-sisid ng sisid, papataasin yung sisid ng capacity niya, ganun lang, sisid ng sisid lang. Hanggang sa may lumabas dyan sa gilid na lungs capacity increase, kaya magkulay green, kahit mga half inches lang pwede na. Tapusin nyo lang yung video kung gusto nyong makita kung paano ma-activate yung lungs capacity. Yan, papunta na ako sa mission nito. Titingnan natin kung activated na ba. Ito nilalaro ko to dati, ano lang eh, puro cheat lang eh. Ngayon lang ako nag-mission. Ayan, ayan na. So ayun, 20, ibig sabihin 8 hanggang 6. 8 hanggang 6 kasi naka-military time eh, oh, 20. 8 yan, 8 hanggang 6. Kailangan natin bumalik ng 8 o kaya 20. 20 hours. Yan. 8 yun, 8. Military time kasi yung 20. Kaya 8 tayo, kaya kailangan muna natin mag-joyride. May oras pala siya, kaya yan, gagawin natin, maglibang muna kasi sayang yung ano, inactivate natin kung hindi tayo magantay. Kailangan lang talaga na ano, tiyaga. Ano din dito, ang hirap din dito makarating sa ano, mga pa-mission. Kailangan mo ng pass, parang pass para maka-activate sa ano, mga mission. Yan, joyride muna. May 3 hours pa. Yung nung maliit pa ako, ano ako eh, puro cheat lang ginagamit ko eh. Di ko alam na mahirap pala to pagka walang cheat.
Hey, looking for a fight moon yet, though?
So dito na tayo, lapit na, try na natin. So ayan, nakita nyo naman, ayan, okay na, nakapasok
Hold
na.
on. You trying to tell me you can't swim?
Hey, thank
Seriously?
you.
When I'm in the deep water,
Ayos.
it panics me. Plus, I'm
Pag-subscribe
terrified
na
of
lang
eels
din.
and squid and seaweed and...
Okay, dude, see, I know you're just trying to make excuses now.
Look, CJ, I need someone from outside the triad who I can trust.
Alright, so let me get this straight. You want me to swim around in dirty dock water, dodging little brown jelly beans and Vietnamese gangsters to put a bug on a boat in the harbor?
You're so negative.
Listen, when I was a kid, swimming up the Santa Maria, I once got a condom stuck to my face. Hard like that stays with you for life. Believe that.
I have a confession to make. I'm blind.
No shit.
Yeah. Although I've trained my other senses to a point where you wouldn't notice my handicap, in the water, they'd be quite useless.
Alright, Woozy, relax. Don't beat yourself up about it. Look, I'll do it. One last thing. You do know that I'm black, right? And not Chinese.
I'm blind, Carl, not stupid.